Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute. Don't kill me. I need y'all to tap into this next clip. This is when I actually started trading and dated October. I'm gonna put a screenshot just so y'all believe me that it's come out of my phone. Yeah, mind you, September is when I officially started trading options, and then that next month I jumped to trading futures. Y'all, look at what happened. Girl, don't trade like Vona. I know the channel is trade like Vona. Don't trade like Vona today, okay? First of all, let me tell you a whole bunch of things I did wrong. I don't know. It's maybe because I don't know. I don't even know. I can't even tell you. I don't know. This is crazy. It's not crazy. It's a lesson learned because I am still learning. It's my first month. My first month using my money on a live account and like trade, you know? So I give myself a pat on the back because now I know what I'm capable of. I'm just grateful. I'm grateful for the mistakes that I've made now because I feel like when I get to bigger, I need to know like, oh, we're not playing these little games, these little kid games that you just played on this account right here. So long story short, my account was up, right? From $500, I built my account from $500 to $20K. I got screenshots. I'll show y'all. Okay, so here I am in a trade holding, trying to get my lost profit back. And this is what I get, okay? This is what I mean, y'all. Do not do this. Why am I doing this to myself? And the real question is, like, why we keep doing it to ourselves. So the ones who do it, okay? I can speak for everybody else. But we know who we are, okay? So, you know, I just kept going up goals. Because my first goal, I started off with the 500. I was like, you know what? Let me grow this account to 1,000. I grew the account to 1,000. All right, let me grow it to 5,000. Grew my account to 5,000. Okay, big money. Let's do 10. Grew my account to 10,000. And I'm just looking like, I really grew my account to 10,000. Like, getting on and off. Like, I'm not staying on here. But I feel like the more I was accumulating and seeing that I, you know, like, oh, I can grow this account this large, the more I was on here trying to find trades to actually, you know, invest in. That's one thing you don't do is chase the charts. You don't chase the charts. The play will come to you. You take it, you get off, and that's it. Like, I'm not doing this again. Trust and believe. It's just a lesson learned. I think God is just trying to tell me, like, yo, you doing too much. You need to slow down. I still got my money in there. My money's in there. The fact that I used my money and built so much capital off of their money and gave it right back to them, like, I gave back their money, basically. I didn't give back. My money is still in there. The money that I got from them, I gave it right back. So, yeah. Learn from this. Learn. And I'm looking crazy, but yeah, y'all. So I'll be back with an update. Okay? So, yes. Okay. Your girl gave it all back. First off, let me start off by saying hi. My name is Vona. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I really hope that that video inspires you not to follow what I did in that video, okay? Being a beginner trader, you're gonna make these crazy mistakes. You're going to lose. Like, it's just bound. I mean, when you get in a trade anyway, you don't never know. The trade can go against you any second. Even if you're in the up and you're in profit, the trade can trade against you within a snap of a finger. So yes, but that large amount, I was like, and the fact that I slowly built that off of my $500 and I built that account up, I was just more so in shock. Like, is this real? From that video, I then started doubting myself, y'all. I'm like, dang, do I really know what I'm doing? Like, what am I missing? Y'all, when in all reality, I was just revenge trading. You heard me say, what I said, I was waiting on to make my profit back that I lost. Like, no. See, Vona, right now, we don't play them type of games. We taking our profit and going, like, And then the fact that I started off with options and then automatically, I know September of 2025, I started trading, like with my live capital. I started trading off Webull with options, using options. So I was just looking at the charts on TradingView. Then I transitioned over to futures because I was doing good on both accounts. Like, that's why I be calling options my baby. Like, that's my baby account. Like, I don't do no wrong on options. I don't do no wrong. But futures, I had to like be like, oh no, we need to take a step back, because the way you can keep trading, and I think that's what built that revenge trading like that I was doing, because you can literally trade all night practically. I didn't have to get up the charts that far. Like, when I made my profit on options, I was hopping on futures. And then not only that, y'all, I was trading multiple indices. Yeah, I know. Don't, it's okay if you talk about me, girl. It's all right. I take it because I've been talking about myself with that. I was trading NQ, I was trading gold, I was trading, what else? Silver. I was trading, like, jumping in them all at one time, mind you. Right now, I am red in all of my positions, but I'm trusting the process. Yeah. But we're gonna see how this play out. I know. But that's why I wanted to share that with y'all, because I really don't want y'all to go down this road. Trading is getting a lot of traction right now from what I've seen. Like, before I left TikTok and even here on YouTube, this is bound to happen. It's bound to happen. Really work on your mindset. Like, it's a real thing. Oh, and another thing, I thought I was too good for journaling. So guess what? Them trades that I was actually gaining profit off of. Tell me how I got in it, why I got in it, what was the reason? Because I really don't know. I can't even tell you. I was looking back through my notes, and I just have notes from Crystal Academy. I got notes from Arletta. I got notes from Trades by Star. That time, because I was in a lot of discourse at that time. I was in A Girl That Trades. I was in her trading journal. I was just doing too much. So I was video hopping and in and out of discords, filling up my mind with too much information. Closed out everything, literally got out every Discord. Why was I in all of them like that? Like, what? I was searching. You get what I'm saying? Now I was like I don't even want to say that right on here, but I was like one of them, and just like trying to look for that perfect setup. Like, no. Okay, no. Once I stepped back, took what I already learned and implicated it on the charts, made me some rules to stick with, I was good. And listen to what I'm saying. I was hard-headed when I was getting told. I just don't want you to be hard-headed, okay? I just want you to just pick up what I'm putting down, all right? But y'all, that is it. That's all I'm gonna share in this video. Stay tuned, because I will be dropping a video tomorrow, okay? Yeah, I don't know when I'm going to be posting this one, but it's another video is going to come right after this one. So put on your notification bells. And also, y'all, please continue to support my channel. And thank y'all for my supporters, my return supporters as well. And I'm gaining a lot of new. Like, YouTube has showed me that I'm gaining a lot of new viewers. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. And also, y'all, share it so you can have an accountability partner. Like, share with your sister, share with your brother, like, hey, I've been watching this girl and how she trades, whatever the case is. You know, put in a good word for your girl, especially if you're enjoying my content. And y'all, this is everything. Making content is very hard, especially, like, you know, I have a lot of stuff going on. I'm a wife, I have, you know, my kids, my niece, like, it's a lot of stuff going on in here. So I still gotta make this content, and not for one, just sit down and make it. This is why y'all see me just sitting anywhere. Like, I literally just sit here, or on my shorts, I be on my couch. Like, I just be, you know, like, let me get this piece of content in real quick, y'all, because editing is what takes forever, okay? Like, that takes up all of my time. Yeah, so please don't take these videos for granted. Anybody, not even just traders, but anybody that you watch on YouTube, like, please just show them love. Show them love by subscribing, liking, sharing. That's all free thing. But the views be crazy. It's just like on stories on Instagram or something. That's why I had to get up off of that stuff. I had to get up off of all the social media stuff, because you had a lot of, like, the people that just the watchers. I don't know what that's about, but it scares me. So that's when I exit left, okay? I'm speaking from a YouTuber, you know, in this seat. It's not easy, okay? So when y'all like, when y'all share, even when y'all drop comments, that also, it helps. It helps with the algorithm. It just helps. So again, I want to thank y'all in advance who do support me on a regular. Thank you so much. If you're new here, that's all I ask from you is support. No, I don't have a Discord. No, I don't have a mentorship. I don't charge even for, I think YouTube now has a members thing. I keep getting notifications for it. Like they telling me to charge it to watch my videos or something. And I'm like, I don't need to do that. So I don't have that either. I don't have the paid thing. Yeah, it's for free, y'all. I share when I'm entering my trades and why. Like I walk y'all through it. So I know when somebody, which I've got approached about this many a times about, I'll pay you to mentor me, or hey, I'll pay you to, you know, like I'll pay for your Discord when you start in the Discord. Y'all, I'm just not there yet, okay? And personally, I am still dealing with like grief and stuff. I know y'all don't know these things because I don't share these things. And before I started posting trading on this channel right here, if you are a OD, I was posting blogs on this channel before. I was just sharing my loss of my grandmother and my sister within a month span from each other. So I was just, it's just a lot, okay? Their anniversary, but my grandma's already passed for the 1 year, July 26th. My sister's is coming up for August 29th is her day, and it's just gonna be a year, y'all. So yeah, and I think back at that now, like no wonder why I gave that 19K back. Like my brain was clouded, okay? Y'all didn't see the behind the scenes of me, you know, of course not, I'm not gonna put that on here, but the crying and the grief and the funerals and the going back and forth from New York to Georgia, like it was too much. It was too much. So yeah, that's really all I wanted to say, and I wanted to share that. Like, so when y'all like, y'all comment and stuff like that, it really, you know, it hits right here. I'll be like, oh, thank you. That's exactly what I'll be doing. I'll be cooking y'all, and I'll see like somebody subscribed or somebody liked, and I'm like, thank you, God bless you. That's exactly what I say. So thank you and God bless you in advance. And I will see y'all in the next video. I'm gonna stop rambling because I am headed out right now. Me and my niece is about to go grab a bite to eat because the guys are not in the house, okay? So it's just us, and we are about to go get something to eat real quick. So I will catch y'all in the next video. Thank y'all again for tuning in, y'all. Bye, y'all.